Hello, my name is Julia and this is Space Daily News channel. In December 2022, the Korea Aerospace Research Institute successfully launched the Korean Pathfinder Lunar Orbiter, also known as Danuri, into lunar orbit. Danuri has 6 scientific instruments on board, one of which, ShadowCam, was developed under the direction of NASA. The ShadowCam instrument is a smaller version of the camera on NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter camera. The mission of ShadowCam is to capture images of permanently shadowed areas near the poles of the Moon. Because the Moon's axis of rotation is tilted only 1.5 degrees, there are almost no seasons on the Moon, and the Sun is always at the horizon at the poles. As a result, the bottom areas of the craters near the poles never receives direct sunlight. These areas are permanently shaded. The NASA Reconnaissance Orbiter camera was able to capture images of almost the entire surface of the Moon, except of the permanently shadowed areas. The ShadowCam instrument, on the other hand, is 200 times more sensitive and uses dim light reflected from nearby terrain to capture images of permanently shaded areas. The ShadowCam was able to capture an image of the interior of the Shackleton crater at the Moon's south pole. The top fifth of the image shows the base of the steep wall of Shackleton crater, with the lower portions displaying the crater floor. At the top, the track of roughly 16 feet diameter boulder that rolled down the wall of the crater can be seen. This area of Shackleton crater is not the most likely place for frost and ice to form on the surface. There may be ice and frost elsewhere in this crater where temperatures are lower, which will be captured in ShadowCam images in coming months. Going forward, the Danuri camera will take images of all permanently shadowed areas of the Moon at a resolution above 2 meters. Look for frost and ice, monitor any changes, assess the geomorphology of this cold terrain, and map the terrain for future missions. Space Daily News. Like, share and subscribe.